Birds in a tree. Outside through the window. Clock on the wall. Netted with bamboo or something. Light switch behind the painting. Exit sign. I wonder what the band is up to. Been a few years since I heard new stuff from them. We hate that. Buddhist offering next to the vase of roses. Security system on the wall. Now I know what I meant when I said the 70s ended in the 90s, or a few years after. But the criminalistic mentality lives on in the songs. If you catch me in real life, I'm just happy to be able to do this. I'm just pissed off about the changing times and how people treat each other. I'm not your robot. That shit's evil. Birds in a tree. Outside through the window. A clock on the wall. Netted with bamboo something. Light switch behind the painting. Exit sign. Birds in a tree.